So picture this, you're scrolling through your feed and bam, the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks hit you in the face. Everyone's losing their minds, but not all for the same reason. Some people are hyped, some are confused, and some are already typing out their Samsung copy iPhone comments. And honestly, they kinda have a point. The S26 Ultra is ditching the boxy, sharp corner look that made the S25 Ultra feel like a tank in a suit. Instead, Samsung's going all soft and rounded this year. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. To a few folks, it feels sleek, futuristic, like the phone just came back from a spa day. To others, it looks like Samsung walked into Apple's design room, snapped a few pics, and said, yeah, we'll take that. But here's the twist, Samsung didn't forget about the S Pen. Not only is it sticking around, it's been upgraded. The grip feels smoother, the top's redesigned, and honestly, it feels more premium than before. It's not just a sidekick anymore, this pen has become part of the Ultra's whole personality. Now no panic about performance because this thing is still stacked. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos depending on your region, a proper camera upgrade, and that same reliable 5000 mAh battery that just doesn't quit. The S26 Ultra isn't lacking firepower. What really matters this year is whether the new design and features make it feel like the Ultra name still means something. And speaking of things that actually feel Ultra, let's talk about the display because Samsung might be flexing harder than ever here. Rumor is the S26 Ultra is getting a brand new OLED panel built with M14 materials and COE tech. What does that mean? In plain English, it's thinner, brighter, way more efficient, and the colors are about to smack you in the face in the best way. This tech was already killing it on the Z Fold 7, but putting it on a standard Ultra, that's a first, and it could be a big deal. Here's where it gets spicy though. The Ultra name itself is starting to sound, well, not that Ultra anymore. Think about it, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels more worthy of that badge with its futuristic design and massive price tag. Every year we hear whispers about a foldable Ultra and honestly, it makes sense. Meanwhile, this Ultra line has played it pretty safe for 4 years now and people are starting to notice. Still, don't expect Samsung to ditch the Ultra brand anytime soon because these phones sell like crazy. But at some point, playing it safe isn't enough. This 27 Ultra has to come out swinging if Samsung wants to prove the Ultra crown still belongs here. So where does that leave the S26 Ultra? If you care about raw horsepower and next-level display tech, this is absolutely one of the most exciting phones of the year. But if you're waiting for bold, jaw-dropping design, you might feel like Samsung is playing it safe this round. Bottom line, the S26 Ultra is powerful, futuristic, and flashy in all the right ways. But the Ultra title, that crown feels like it's still up for grabs. Will Samsung earn it back next year, or will foldables take over the throne? That's the real question. So what do you think? Are you hyped for the insane new display, pumped that the S Pen got some love, or are you rolling your eyes at the new design? Drop your thoughts down below, hit that like button if you had fun hanging out here, and feel free to subscribe, because the leaks are just heating up. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then, stay tech savvy.